Hello friends, welcome to Motivational and Educational channel. Today we are learning next topic. Substances in the surrounding, their states and properties. Chapter 5, Class 6, General Science. Exercise. Question 1. In the paragraph below, write solid, liquid or gas in each of the brackets depending on the substance referred to just before. On a bright sunny day, Riya and Gargi are playing with a ball. Solid state. In the park, Gargi feels thirsty, so Riya brings tender coconut water. Liquid state for her. At the same time, a strong breeze, gas state, starts blowing and it also begins to rain. Liquid state. They run back into the house, solid state, change their cloth, solid state, and then their mother gives them a cup, solid state, of hot milk, liquid state, to drink. Question 2. Discuss. A. Riya pours some water from her bottle into another bottle. Does it change the shape of the water? Answer. Liquid has no shape of its own. Water will take the shape of the bottle in which it pours. B. Halima picks up a small stone from the ground and puts it in the water in a dish. Does the shape of the stone change? Answer. No. Solid has a shape of its own which is retained. Question 3. Write the properties of these substances. Properties of water. Answer. Water in liquid form is used by living organism. In solid state, it is in the form of ice. In gaseous state, it is vapor. Boiling point is 100 degrees Celsius. Melting point and freezing point is 0 degrees Celsius. Properties of chalk. Answer. Chalk is a solid substance. It is insoluble in water. Brittleness is a characteristic of chalk. Properties of glass. Answer. Silica or sand is melted to make glass. Brittleness is a characteristic feature of glass. Properties of iron ball. Answer. Iron is a solid metal. The iron has malleability, ductility, electrical conductivity, and thermal conductivity. Iron also has sonority. Properties of sugar. Answer. Sugar is a solid and particulate matter. Sugar is soluble in water. Properties of salt. Answer. Salt is a particular solid chemical compound. It is soluble in water but insoluble in kerosene. It is salty to taste. Properties of flour. Answer. Flour is a particulate and solid substance which is obtained after the grains are ground finely. It is insoluble in water. Properties of coal. Answer. Coal is a solid substance that is inflammable. It is brittle. It is crushed into particles. Coal is used as a fuel. Properties of soil. Answer. Soil is a solid substance. It is a mixture of many soluble and insoluble substances. Properties of pen. Answer. Pen is made from plastic and metal, as it contains the solution of ink so that we can write. Ink is a liquid substance. Properties of soap. Answer. Soap are solid while some are in liquid form. Soaps are soluble in water and they form soap solution. Question 4. What is sublimation? Write the names of everyday substances that sublimate. Answer. The change in the solid substance upon heating directly into gas or vapor without changing into liquid is called sublimation. Example: camphor, naphthalene balls. Question 5. What is it made from? Why? A sickle to cut sugar cane. Answer. Sickle is made from iron. Hardness, malleability and ductility are the characteristics of iron. Therefore, it is used in making of sickle. B. The sheets used for roofing. Answer. Sheets for roofing are made from aluminium. Aluminium is a metal that is light in weight and is durable and rust-free. C. A screwdriver. Answer. Screwdriver is made from steel. Steel is a mixture of different metals. It is strong and helpful in joining nuts and bolts. D. A pair of tongues. Answer. A pair of tongues are made from iron or stainless steel, which is durable, strong and rust-free. E. Electric cables. Answer. Electric cables are either of copper or aluminium. Copper is good conductor of electricity. F. Ornaments. Answer. Ornaments are made from gold, silver, platinum. It shows the properties of ductility. Diamond is the hardest substance and has a shine. G. Pots and pans. Answer. Pots and pans are made from different metals. Aluminium, stainless steel and brass, all the metals have the characteristics of thermal conductivity. Question 6. What will happen if and why? A. Nails are made of plastic. Answer. Plastic is a brittle substance. Nails are made of plastic cannot withstand hammering. A bell is made of wood. Answer. Sound produced by metal would be melodious. Wood does not have the characteristics of sonority. C. Rubber is not fitted on a pair of tongues. Answer. Pair of tongues are made of metals. They have thermal conductivity. If they are not fitted with rubber, they may cause burns. D. A knife is made of wood. Answer. The wood is not metal. The work of knife cannot be performed by the wooden knife. It cannot cut the object. E. An axe is made of rubber. Answer. The rubber axe will rebound when hit upon an object. It shows elasticity property. Question 7. Who am I? A. I am found in a thermometer. I measure your temperature. Answer. Mercury. B. I make things hot or cold. Answer. Heat. C. I have no shape whatsoever. Answer. Liquid and gas. D. I dissolve in water but not in kerosene. Answer. Salt. Question 8. Why does this happen? A. Coconut oil thickens in winter. Answer. In winter, the temperature of air is less. At this temperature, the freezing point of coconut oil is reached. Therefore, it appears to be thickened. B. Kerosene left open in a dish. Answer. The temperature of the surrounding hastens the process of evaporation of kerosene. And thus the kerosene evaporates and disappears. C. The fragrance of incense sticks lighted in one corner of a room spreads to the other corner. Answer. The fragrance sticks emit smoke in the form of gas. With the smoke, the fragrance also reaches the entire room. D. What you see in the picture? Answer. We see that balloon floats as it fills with air. Apple sings as its density is more.